her, I used to be like, I need a golden. Like, I need a golden. So I'm literally freaking out. I'm so excited. I'm freaking out. Like, I'm just so happy. Like, I'm so happy, but I'm also really, really nervous to get her. And yeah, but like, we are so happy. And then if you guys didn't know, most people do know, we lost our Shih Tzu of 15 years like a month or two ago. And it was just like the hardest thing ever. Honestly, until you lose a pet, you really have no idea how that's going to affect you. I didn't know that was how it was going to feel to lose a pet. It was like the most heartbreaking thing ever. And the house just felt so empty, like so empty without having Brownie there. And it was just really, really, really tough. And I just think that I'm going to be so emotional when I get her, because after everything that me and my family have been through, it's just been tough. You know what I'm saying? Like, we lost Brownie, we were like grieving him, and then after that we wanted to get a golden, but long story short, we ended up getting scammed. And I'll talk about that in a different video if you guys want, but it was just really heartbroken, because now when I think back at that, I'm like, we were just so emotionally raw that we just wanted something to fill that so fast. And I think that's why we weren't really thinking straight. And I'll talk about that later. But anyways, like, we're just so excited. And you know, I'm really excited for my mom to like see her, because like my mom's been going through like her cancer situation and everything. So like, me and my sisters just really wanted to do this for us, but also for her. And I'm just so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. And yeah, I'm excited. I'll see you later. So right now we're currently at a rest stop. We are almost like 30 minutes away from where the breeder is located. And I'm so excited, so nervous, but it's more so excitement than anything. Like, I'm gonna be able to hold her and touch her soon, which is wild.
Oh my god, you guys, there's a golden. It was made to be. It's a sign. It's a sign, Amy. Look at the golden. It's a sign. Oh my god, what a cutie. Oh my god, what a cutie. Oh my god, we just got our cutie. She was crying.
I'm sorry, baby.
She's beautiful.
Want to let her walk really quickly or no?
Will she run away?
No.
You let her walk? I'm scared.
I'm not scared.
I'm scared. I'm like, no, I don't want her to go anywhere. I'm like, I want to protect her. She's so beautiful. I love her. I'm so happy. Hi, beauty. You're precious. So we're here with our beautiful girl. She's so wonderful. I feel like I'm floating. How are you feeling?
I feel great. She's so cute.
Look at that face. She's so beautiful. She's definitely been crying. The breeder said she's probably gonna cry for a couple of days. She's kind of calming down a little bit, but she's definitely been crying a lot. And we've been trying to do our best to calm her down, give her toys, pet her, try to make her feel like everything is okay. But yeah, we are so freaking excited. I mean, look at her. Look at her. She's so beautiful. Baby girl. Baby girl. She's still getting used to things. We're trying to see if she can pee really quickly.
Oh, she loving it.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
She's like, nope, I'm not with this.
What's happening here? Why are you here? Well, she doesn't really want to walk right now. But
She's like, nope.
oh,
Oh, don't eat that.
oh. She's already eating things she shouldn't eat. For you. Let's see.
Don't put her down. She's gotta know the place. Oh god. I cut through the video. Oh my gosh, she's so precious. Oh my God, really?
Hi, baby. Welcome home, honey. Let's see. She's the cutest.
Hi, Nala.
Hi, Nala. Oh, she's trembling.
Put her down.
She looked at it.
Look at all your toys.
Oh.
Oh, she's interested.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all right.
She likes it.
Oh,
She likes it.
Uh-huh.
oh, yeah.
We got
We
action.
got action, major action.
Her tail hitting the
She
swan.
likes it. She remembers a ball.
Because they had her playing with a lot of balls.
Oh, she didn't
Oh,
like that.
she
You
didn't like
scared
that.
her.
No, she's fine.
Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Grab a beer, hon.
Arr.
I
Oh,
scared.
she likes the ball.
Yes, she does.
Oh, look at how tail. Look at it.
Really falling asleep. Oh, she's really pooped
She's
out.
pooped.
Aww.
That's those belly love.
Let's give her some time to rest, and then if she gets up, we'll play with her more.
She's
I love it.
gorgeous. I'm in love.
I ain't gonna leave her alone.
No.
That dog ain't getting no sleep.
Oh my god, she's conked out already.
Yeah, I'm telling you, she was really tired.
Yeah, she was
just
so
couldn't get
tired.
comfortable in the car.
Yeah, she was. She was so tired, so
I want
exhausted.
to put her on the bed, but I don't know if I should.
Okay, no.
Oh.
Baby, no baby.
Okay, okay.
No what?
Note to self, baby.
Pretty much just going everywhere and exploring the whole
Infinitely.
house. Cat Loki is all over Nala's stuff. Oh my god.
It's my territory.
Uh-oh. Oh my god.
He never does that.
He never does that.
That's territorial.
Really?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. He's like,
my son
ooh.
shall be known.
This is my kingdom.
These two are successfully cohabiting with each other. It's really nice to see.
Look at my girl. My beautiful girl. So we were finally back home and she's doing pretty good. She cried a little bit when she came home, but after that, you know, we all started playing with her, making her feel comfortable and rubbing her belly and giving her toys and making sure that she's fed. Uh-oh. Wait. I want you to say hi to the YouTube fam before I let you go. So yeah, she's pretty much been doing so good and she's getting so accustomed. Now she's playing with her toys. Oh, someone's bringing her a toy. You're bringing her another toy. Oh, she wants it now.
Not in the right way.
Nala.
We'll see if she
Take a
likes
look at
this
the
shirt.
camera.
I'm dying to put it on
Say
her because it's
cheese.
so cute.
Say cheese.
Guys, we put her in the Def Leppard shirt and she actually had no problem with it. I am obsessed. You are so gorgeous. You guys, we are watching Air Buddies. I love this movie as a kid. I always wanted a golden because of this movie. Honestly, Air Buddies hits different when you have your own Air Buddy here. She's legitimately watching it right now, though.
How's that for research?
Like, girl, she's watching it. You like what Auntie Hazel bought you? She's loving this. We put her in the hammock. I can't. Yes, we put her in the hammock.
Cody. Is it Cody? What's the name?
Aww. She's doing anything and everything to get his attention.
And he's just not with it.
It's hilarious.
Just thanks.